Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and wanted to know how to draw that in CorelDraw. I'm a little concerned that it looks like they're progressively getting further apart. So there's at least two ways to draw this. One of them would be to take an ellipse and hit P, put it in the center of the page, take a 2-point line, holding down the control button, get us that in particular perpendicular, take away our line, and take the artistic media tool, and we'll use that one right there, but you've got to touch it and then go up or down, and it'll give you that shape. Now, I want to select it all. You go up to Object and break the artistic media apart because I want to get rid of that original invisible line. And then we're going to Control D and make a duplicate and move it, start moving, and then hold down the control button. And then we're going to, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 7 of those. So we're going to go to, well, we're going to reduce that one by 50%. Okay. Then take both these, select them, go up to Effects and Blend. We're going to blend them 5 times. I've already played around with this. And see how that one looks like it's further apart? And it is a little bit further apart. Now you could probably correct that, but always with a blend, you've got to go to Object, break the blend apart, and then the middle ones are still a blend or a group. So go to Group and Ungroup, and then you could set your nudge factor on something pretty little and just bring that one in. You know, and they might want that, you know, like that. And we could actually use the parallel dimension tool to get it perfect. The other way to do it, that might even look better, would be to take an ellipse and Control D and make a duplicate, and then start moving it, and then hold down the control button to get a perfect perpendicular. Then take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in, and nudge that over out of the way. And we can Control D and make a duplicate, start moving it and move it over, go up here and make it 50%, grab both of them, and let's blend them 5 times, and we get the same effect. I might make a second video on how to eliminate that. Now, if you've noticed, I didn't do them at an angle because it's going to be a lot easier to do them perpendicular to the edge, but that's the same look. Anyway, if you look at them, make theirs a little bit bigger. And then, of course, you could make them all blue. My blue is going to be a little bit richer blue than that one. So I'm going to try to make a second video on how we could eliminate and get them a little closer together because they're definitely progressively going uphill. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.